Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from the Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives, FII's activities, index actionable, sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end. Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Tuesday, 11th June 2024. Nifty index opened positive and went on to touch a fresh all-time high of 23,411 and remained in the range of its opening tick throughout the day, followed by some profit booking towards the end. It took support at 23,227 and closed with marginal losses near 23,260. India VIX was down by another 2.5% to 16.4 levels. Volatility has cooled off from its significant highs and comforting the bulls. Nifty put-call ratio marginally decreased to 0.97. Now this fall in India VIX along with a stable put-call ratio indicates that there is support-based buying. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 22,700 to 23,700, while immediate range is in between 23,000 to 23,500. Moving on to the second segment, in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 2,572 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 2,764 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 34%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 23,200 for an upside move towards 23,500, then 23,700, whereas supports are placed at 23,100, then 23,000. Bank Nifty has to continue to hold above 49,500 for an up move towards 50,000 and then 50,500. While on the downside, support is shifting higher to 49,500, then 49,250. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive starts were seen in most of the sectors, while some profit-taking in IT and metal names. Most of the key ministries remain same with the existing ones, so momentum is likely to continue and those sectors are likely to do well and outperform. So now the next focus is also on the upcoming budget. Stocks to keep on radar: some of the rural specified names in the auto pack, which includes Hero MotoCorp and TVS Motor. Cement space focusing on the infra theme, which includes Ramco Cement and Ultratech. Fertilizer space, which includes Chambal Fertilizer ahead of the monsoon showers. Finally, Bharti Airtel, which is showing smart recovery and holding on to its higher zones. Wish you a great trading day ahead. For more such detailed analysis, don't forget to follow this podcast. This is Shivangi Sarda signing off. Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.